What is going on, everybody? I'm back with another video and need another unboxing. So I got two watch straps in here that I got off of Amazon. I'm gonna start unboxing it right now just because I'm not gonna be cutting these packages open as you guys may have seen on my previous unboxing videos. For some reason they have all this foam inside of here, so it makes a massive mess. So anyways, I decided to get two more watch straps, one for my Tissot Visodate, or Visodate, and the other one for my Orient Bambino. So I'm gonna get these out. These will be my first time seeing these. Oh, what's in here? Here we go. So I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, that's the strip for the whatever package. I can't speak. Okay, anyway, so let's get this out of the way first of all. Okay, so what do we got here? We got a, the other way around. Oh, there's no name on this. Let's see. I guess let's just open it up. So one of these specifically is for my Orient, and the reason why is because it is I guess it would be this one right here, so it's 21, because the leg width is 21 millimeters, and yeah, thanks to the Orient, I don't have any other things that actually fit it. So that says genuine leather. Is this it? I think this one's for my Orient. What's in here? But I love these straps because it's got another tool. Well, these things are just piling up in my my watch repair kit here. So and a nice little soft microfiber cloth. So that's kind of cool. So we'll set that aside for just a second here. But I love these watch straps, and I can't believe I didn't kind of jump on the bandwagon to get these with the quick release. What do you call it? Quick release pins. Only because, you know, I keep on damaging my watch in the past when I try to use these strap tools or these whatever. So I cannot wait to get these on to the watch. But let's go and take a look at the second one. This one is by Barton. Now this is 20 mil, so this one has to be for my Orient. So let's go and take a look at this one. See, they just push straight out, or there we go. Wow, this thing is tight. Okay. Oh, look at that. So almost about the same color. This one's maybe ever so slightly more orange, but I really like this coloration. Kind of lightens up the watch a little bit. So let's go and get this out of the way. Yeah, let's pull the strap out. Now, the reason I like this Barton's over here is I like the fact that it doesn't come to a point. I like it where it's kind of just straight cut. Unfortunately, 21 millimeter is kind of hard to find a lot of straps. I know some people say it's easy to find 21 mils. Other people say it's a pain in the ass. You know what? I don't really buy enough of these straps to really know. So tell you what, let me go and grab the two watches in question, and I'll be right back. Okay, well, here are the two watches. I've already taken off the straps just for simplicity's sake here. So this is my Orient on the left. This is a 41, I think, 40 and a half. I remember 41 and a half inch case diameter. This was the original strap that came with it. It took a little bit, but I finally broke it in, but I just thought it was kind of too plain. So I decided to replace it with this, and we'll see how that looks in a moment here. And on this side, I got the Tissot Visodate right there. This is about a 39 and a half, almost 40 inch case. This was the original strap it came with, which is a very nice kind of croc pattern brown strap. I decided to kind of spice it up a bit with something a little brighter. As you can see, I got one from darker color to a much lighter color. So let's go and start with the Orient here. And go and slap these on and see how they look. And I know I keep on sounding like a broken record, but like I said, I cannot believe I did not think about doing these kind of quick release straps earlier, because this is so nice. All right, let's see here if I can. There we go. So that's one side. All right, finally got the other side on. This one's a little bit interesting. I may have to go in and possibly trim a little bit off the leather. These are, of course, made in China, so not quite the highest quality things in the world. They weren't too expensive, so, but hey, whatever. And look at that. Looks really nice. Kind of lightens up the entire watch itself as opposed to this dark brown strap that it came with. This is a little bit stiff for right now, but of course I'm sure it'll just break in, so I'll give you a shot of that. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and put it on my wrist. I got my Casio GW on today. Let's go, oops, put that to the side, and let's go ahead and kind of put this on and see what it looks like. So the strap's a little bit, whatever, big on me, but that's okay. Again, we'll just break these in as time goes on. All right, let's see if I can kind of make this a little bit more shaped to my wrist here. So here it is. Got it with the polished clasp. And look at that. Doesn't look too bad at all. Love the croc pattern. A little bit better, I think, than the smooth pattern of this right here. And looks like it fits just perfectly fine. And it kind of lightens up the entire look of the watch. You know, as everybody knows, aftermarket watch bands really kind of changes the personality of the watch, and it's really easy to do, especially with these quick release pins. Love it, absolutely love it. I'm really liking the color as well, and the texture and everything. So yeah, there you go. Bring it up a little close for you guys. Yeah, I'm digging it. I am really digging it. I am still in love with this Orient Bambino. Quite possibly the best $100 I've ever spent in my life. Very beautiful, classy looking watch. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and take this off. And now, let's go ahead and start on the visor date here. So, now this Barton's actually feels a lot softer. It still is foam filled, you can feel it. Let me sure I got the watch orientated properly. Okay, so let's try and put these on. Hopefully this time a little faster than I did with the Orient here. Okay, that's one side. These are, I can tell, cut a little bit better. Oh, see, that was easy. And look at that. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. These both look kind of similar, especially under here in the camera. This one is slightly lighter. I don't know how well the camera's gonna be able to pick that up, but let's go and put this on. It's just too bad that the Orient wasn't a 20 mil. I mean, I could just use the same strap for both of them, but oh well. It is what it is. All right, so let's go and put this on. Oh, there's a sticker on the clasp here. Let me get that off first. There you go. Didn't realize that. All right, we'll just put it on like this. All right, I love this kind of straight cut strap end here. So yeah, let's do it again. Go ahead and, there we go. Look at that. This is the Tissot visor date. Looking good, pretty good, actually. I'm really digging this look. I mean, really nice coloration. Again, lightens the watch up with the white dial, the silver hands. Again, I know these two kind of look similar at the very moment. In the future, I'll probably be getting you know, different watch straps, different colorations for this. I'm hoping at one point in time I'll get a nice classy looking watch with a black dial, maybe silver or gold indices and hands on there. But, you know, that's for the future. Right now, I really like the look of both of these right here. And the new straps really, really sets it off. I'm really, really liking this. So, all right, well, that was just supposed to be a quick unboxing and test of these two straps. One of them is the Barton's brand. Can't remember what the other one is, but of course this could be in the title anyhow. But I will leave you with these two shots here. Again, we got the Orient Bambino and the Tissot visor date in my right-hand side. And if you guys got any questions or comments, please leave it below. Aside from that, take care, have a nice day, and I'll catch you all on the next one.